how the color and style preset works with the Skin Fairy, it's pretty simple. We also create a guide to help you to create your own color presets in the case you want to create something to fit 100% in your own style. We also provide you few different color presets so you can use and test and check if the process you like how it works. So first of all, we will need to select a preset. For this, we will click the button and we will select one of the different presets we send you few with the download. Again, you can create your own. For this, I will open this profile, and now I can see the name of the preset or the style preset I have selected in here. Now I will click on the apply preset, and as you can see at the very top, we have one layer with the name of the preset. In this case, the preset is affecting all the image. Let me show you a quick before and after. And of course, you can play with the opacity as any regular layer in Photoshop, but also you can use the masks like you have used it in here. For example, if I do want to use this preset only in the face, what I can do is, for example, set the body effect to, let's say, 1 or 2. And as you can see now, this color preset is affecting only in the skin and almost nothing in the body and nothing in the other parts of the image. This preset is affecting only the skin and it's at 5 level or 100% effect in the face and something around 20% in the body. If we want to affect the body a lot, we can set this to 5. And if we want to just a little amount in the face, we can set this to 2, for example. We can work with different profiles. We can use multiple color presets and play with the layer mask so we can create something to fit in our own style.